ever stop and think, why spend too much time just getting ready? Let me be honest, I don't know a single thing that I haven't done to make you notice me.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Gretchen, and today's video I am spring cleaning my daughter's bedroom. I am giving this bedroom a really good clean because, as you can tell, it really needed it, and I am trying to just tackle one space at a time. So this space had me pretty overwhelmed and I was ready to just get it done. So here around my house, I am taking spring cleaning very slowly. Times are crazy right now, and while we are at home a lot right now, it doesn't mean that I have a ton of time during the day to clean. In fact, it is quite the opposite. I try to do what I can during the day, but for the most part I am spending it with my kids, and most of my cleaning I do at night. So spring cleaning, it is getting done little by little. I don't know how you have been tackling your spring cleaning, or if you have started, if you have finished. Actually, if you are finished spring cleaning, drop me a comment. I want to know.
I need somebody to love. Oh, nah, 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 nah. Don't you see what's wrong with me? I need somebody to love. Oh, oh, nah, nah. God, I'm sick of this waiting. You got me going crazy tonight. So why don't you come on over and be my somebody to love? Somebody to love, somebody to love, somebody. I need somebody to love. I need somebody, I need somebody. Give me somebody, somebody to love.
So this closet space in my daughter's room is very small, and when we first moved in and did her room and everything, I had the intention of putting up these cubes in the middle, buying like one of those sets from Target that go straight up. I think it's like 5 that are in the one that I was looking at, but in any case, that never happened. As you can see, it was just like one of those projects that I started, and I had put the clothes on the sides so that I could put the cubbies in the middle, and it just never happened. So I'm hoping that maybe this year I can finally get around to doing that, and that's going to help just give that closet some storage and maybe be able to put some toys in there, because she's got a lot of little pieces. You saw all of the Barbie toys. Basically all of her things that she doesn't want her brother to touch, she keeps in her room, and then all of the other toys are out in the playroom. But Barbie stuff, LOL, Shopkins, all those kinds of things I keep in her room, and she gets very creative. She plays with her toys, so it gets very messy. But here you can see that I am just decluttering some stuff. I really have got to start buying some clothes for them. They have outgrown basically everything. It's crazy how fast they grow, and I am not keeping up with it. But just getting everything cleaned out here and organizing it. Now that we have been home going on over 10 days now, I have been on Instagram a lot more. You can see I have been more active in my stories. So if you're not following me over on Instagram, go find me over at Beautiful Gretchen and follow me over there. I'd love to have you over there and just get to know you on just a daily, everyday basis.
Working on our body language, working on our body language. Baby, now tell me exactly how you feel. I'm just trying to keep it real. Let me love you on the inside, love you on the inside. Tell me exactly what you mean. You mean everything to me. Let me love you on the inside, love you on the inside. Tell me you're lost, feel so blue, leaving me on the spot so confused. Oh baby, tasting so sweet, acting so rude. Won't you tell me what I'm supposed to do? Yeah. High and low, in between, acting out, make a scene. Working on our body language, working on our body language. Baby, now tell me exactly how you feel. I'm just trying to keep it real. Let me love you on the inside, love you on the inside. Tell me exactly what you mean. You mean everything to me. Let me love you on the inside, love you on the inside.
These drawers were in major need of a declutter and some organizing. There was stuff in there that I think was 4T, and she is currently a size 6, so it was definitely much needed to get that done.
Now tell me exactly how you feel. I'm just trying to keep it real. Let me love you on the inside, love you on the inside. Tell me exactly what you mean. You mean everything to me. Let me love you on the inside, love you on the inside.
One of a kind, one of the better boys. I'm on your level, that's what you say, but all I hear is noise. I don't have time for trying my luck. I've been too hurt before. You're not that special, just give it up. I think I've had enough. I'm too busy loving my friends. I ain't got no love to spare for you. I'ma be that girl to the end. It don't really matter what you do. Guess I have to tell you again, 'cause you haven't got the news. Boy, you really need to understand that I don't wanna be your girlfriend, girlfriend. No, I don't wanna be your girlfriend, girlfriend. All I want is time with my girlfriend's girlfriend. So I don't wanna be your girlfriend, girlfriend. I know you want me, boy, I can tell. So deep under my spell. Sorry, not sorry that I'm no help, 'cause I'm full of myself. Boy, don't you worry, you'll find someone who wants you back, but that is not me. So give it up, haven't you had enough? I'm too busy loving my friends. I ain't got no love to spare for you. I'ma be that girl to the end. It don't really matter what you do. Guess I have to tell you again, 'cause you haven't got the news. Boy, you really need to understand that I don't wanna be your girlfriend, girlfriend. No, I don't wanna be your girlfriend, girlfriend. All I want is time with my girlfriend's girlfriend. So I don't wanna be your girlfriend, girlfriend. No, 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 no. Girlfriend, girlfriend. told me you believe in.
I hope you guys enjoyed today's video, and hopefully it gave you some motivation, whether you're tackling something on your to-do list or trying to start your spring cleaning. I hope this just gave you a little bit of inspiration and motivation that you need to just get moving and get something cleaned up around your house today. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave it a thumbs up so that I know that you enjoyed this kind of content. And also, if you're not yet subscribed to my channel, I hope that you'll consider subscribing, hitting that red button, and becoming a part of this community. Thank you guys again for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video. Take care, God bless, and stay safe, guys.